afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Miss Kimmy.
Okay, so can someone raise their hand and tell me the name of the person that we've been talking about for the past few days? Let's see, Carter.
Teddy
What's his last name?
Roosevelt.
Very good. We've been talking about Teddy Roosevelt, or Theodore Roosevelt, that is his real name. So today we're going to read a little bit about him to find out some character traits of him. So can someone raise their hand and give me an example of a character trait? We talked about it a little bit before with the other people that we've studied. Kaylor, just give me one. It doesn't matter what type.
He's nice.
Nice. That's a character trait. Yeah, very good. One more. Keith.
He's a good guy.
Yeah, a good person. That's a good character trait. One more. Cadence. Mean. That's a character trait. Yeah, very good. Okay, so let's read about Teddy Roosevelt and let's find out what type of person he was. And we're going to write down the character traits on the board.
Is Teddy Roosevelt so?
If you have a question, raise your hand. Yes, Adeline.
Is Teddy Roosevelt so?
No, he's not alive anymore. Yes, Alyssa, you have a question? What's your question?
Did Teddy Roosevelt pass away or?
Yes, he passed away a long time ago.
Like,
Come on, Emma, join us. We're reading about Teddy Roosevelt. All right, guys, while I read, I want you to pay attention and think to yourself what type of character traits that they're talking about that we can use for Teddy. So we're going to go through it one at a time, and we're going to think about the character traits, and then we're going to make like just a list of some of the ones that we found. Okay, so remember, this is what he looks like, and they had cameras, and so they could take pictures of what he looks like. Raise your hand if you have a question. Okay, so let's see. Yes, Taylor?
He had a box.
Yeah, he had the big box camera. Okay, guys, let's read. So I'm just reading from a book that was on Epic, but I just took a little pieces of the book because I didn't have time to read all of it. So let's just read a little bit of it. So this says, Theodore Roosevelt was always taking action. As a boy, he worked hard to make himself healthy. As president, he worked to make the country stronger. Can someone raise their hand and tell me what number president he was? Do you remember? Let's see. Aubrey.
26.
Very good. He was the 26th president. I'm just going to write that to the side so we just remember it. I'm going to write it right here. I'm just going to say 26th president. Yep, just to remember that he was the 26th president, because we talked about a few presidents. Just wanted to remember. Okay, so as president, he worked to make the country stronger. He also made it, guys listen, he also made it a better place for all Americans to live. Do you want me to read that one more time so we can think about the character traits? Okay, remember, think about what character traits we can write. Theodore Roosevelt was always taking action. As a boy, he worked hard to make himself healthy. I see a character trait. Does anyone know what character trait that we can put down for him? Alyssa?
Healthy.
No, not healthy. Friendly.
He.
Is that a character trait? Emma? No. Taylor? What do you think?
He took action.
Close. Okay, so this sentence here says, as a boy, he worked hard to make himself healthy. Isn't that a character trait? He's a hard worker. If someone said you were a hard worker, wouldn't that be a way to describe you? Yeah, so let's write that down.
Hard worker.
Yes, hard worker.
Well, that's what I'm, if not,
Yep, so he was a hard worker. Let's see what else it says. As president, he worked to make the country stronger. He also made it a better place for all Americans to live. Down here, the caption to this picture says, Theodore Roosevelt was known as a strong leader. Do you think that's another character trait?
Yeah.
What should I write?
He was
leader. Very good. Are these good character traits or bad character traits?
Good.
Very good. All right, let's see what else they say. When Theodore Roosevelt grew up, he worked in politics. At age 23, he was elected to the New York State government. There, Roosevelt worked hard worker, to make laws that help people. Yet, he also made time for outdoor adventure. So, what character traits can we put? Carter.
Outdoor adventure. Outside adventure.
Not really. Emma, what do you think? Here, I'll read the sentence one more time. There, Roosevelt worked hard to make laws that helped people. What can we say about him? Cadence. Friendly. We said hard worker already. Guys, listen to the sentence. Roosevelt worked hard to make laws that helped people. Keith, we have worked hard. Guys, that's not how we get called on. Carter.
Make new laws.
Elena?
Be helpful.
Helpful, very good. It says that he worked hard to make laws that helped people. He was a helpful person. We've talked about being helpful before with many people. So we can learn that Roosevelt was also a helpful person. This is a picture of him when he was younger. This was in the 1880s.
Another one you can put.
What's another one?
You can put help. You can put. Can you read it again? Can you read it again?
We'll come back to it if we have some time because we're running out of time. Let's read a little bit more. Helping Americans. Roosevelt was rich, yet he wanted to help ordinary Americans. So what was he?
Rich.
And he wanted to help ordinary Americans. So was he helpful?
Yeah.
So we see again, it says, yet he wanted to help ordinary Americans. If someone wants to help you, what does that make them? Helpful. Very good. Guys, I'm up here. Pay attention. As president, he created laws that made businesses treat workers fairly. What can we say about him if he helped to create businesses or create laws that help businesses treat people fairly? Guys, I'm up here. Kayla, what do you think we can say?
He's fair.
Very good. We can say that he is fair. That's a great word. Fair. We can also say that he's nice. I'll put that. Anything else? Remember character traits, Annabeth? Guys, come up here. Let's see if we can find another one. So, he also set aside large areas of forest as parkland. So, what is the thing that he protected?
Parkland.
National Forest and Parkland. Very good. So, remember, he loved the outdoors, so that's why he did that. That way, all Americans could enjoy nature. So then again, we can see that he was a nice person because he wanted us all to enjoy nature just like he did. So this here is Crater Lake that we've talked about the past few days, and this is located in Oregon. So he wanted to protect places like this because isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wouldn't be nice if someone went and destroyed it. So he wanted to protect that.
I really love the mountains.
Yes, I do too. All right, listen, last one. Roosevelt kept helping people. So what is he?
Helping
He's
people.
helpful, very good. Even after he left office. So even after he wasn't president anymore, he kept still helping people, which is a good thing. He continued to be a leader in politics, so we do have, he's a strong leader, and people listen to his ideas. Today, we still see his ideas in action. So this here is something famous. This is called Mount Rushmore, and it is located in South Dakota. And this here is Roosevelt's face carved into the stone. Do you see that?
I think
Let's see. Right here.
Whose face is that?
This is George Washington. This is can you guys very good. That is Thomas Jefferson. And this we learned about him. Abraham Lincoln. Yes, very good. So Roosevelt is right there in between all of them. And you can actually go visit that
Why
too.
did they do that?
I don't know.
Famous.
Famous people. Okay, listen, guys. Shh. Okay, so we have that he was a hard worker, he was a strong leader, he was helpful, fair, and nice. Do you think we have anything else that we can put? Natalie, what do you think?
Oh, I was going to ask a question.
Oh yeah, what's your question?
What about Donald Trump?
No, he's not on there. These aren't really old presidents. These were very, very old presidents. Maybe one day, but he's not on there because this was built a long time ago. Kaylor?
He was respectful.
Very good. He was respectful. Guys, if we have all this pretty land and he wanted to protect it, don't you think he's respectful of the environment and the land? Yeah, so we can say that.
What about
Very good. If you have another one, tell me. Skylar.
famous?
Yeah, we can say famous, but that's not really a character trait or a positive character trait. Okay, let's see one more. Emma, what do you think?
Responsible.
Responsible? Yeah, we could say he was responsible
That's
because...
what I was going to say.
Okay, good job. I'm glad. Responsible.
That's a long word.
Okay, yeah, he was responsible because he helped take care. First of all, he helped people, and he also wanted to protect the land. That's a good thing. That means that he was responsible for it, and even after he was president, he still continued to do it. All right, guys. So we don't have a lot of time left, so let's just go ahead and start our activity. So let me explain it to you quickly. If you have questions, I'll tell you. So remember what we talked about yesterday. Remember when I said that the first teddy bear that was invented was named after Roosevelt? So we're going to write in our little teddy bears today. Everyone will get one. And when you get one, I just want you to write your name on his leg on this side. His right leg. Which leg? His right leg at the bottom. Everybody see that? Right here. Right here. Just write your names right here. And that's it. We're going to do it together, okay? So right here. Everybody look. Make sure you know. Sayana, hold on. Right here, just your name. That's all I want. Okay, I'm going to take questions while I hand these out. CJ, you have a question?
Why did they do that a long time ago?
I don't know. They just wanted to appreciate stuff that the presidents have done before. And those are some very famous presidents. Guys, if you have a question, raise your hand. Let's see, purple and green. You can go back to your tables. Table. Purple table, green table. Yellow and orange. Guys, no talking. Just write your name on the bear. The right leg. All right, red and blue. Yes, okay, I'm gonna explain to you what we're doing. Let me move the camera. All right, guys, write your name on the right leg of the bear. When you've written your name on the bear, look up at me so I know that you've done it. Put the bear down, Curly. This pencil over there. It's okay. Just as long as they're not broken, they can still work. Okay, guys, right here, you write your name on the bear. That's all you're doing right now. And look up at me so I know that you're ready. Friendly, when I'm playing with the bear, we're just looking up at me since you've written your name. All right. So, look at the two arms of the bear. Look at the two arms of the bear. I want you to write and then one other character trait here. I don't want the same two character traits in each arm. I want two different character traits. And I don't want a full sentence. You can just say he was, or you can just write the character trait. Okay? You can use the ones we've come up with on the board. That's fine. Yes, Natalie? What? Okay, just get one from over there. It's okay if it's full. It doesn't have to be as long as it's not broken. So write one character trait in each of the arms. Guys, we don't have to talk to do this. Here, Natalie. T. Yes, Emma? I don't have any erasers. You can borrow one from someone, or you can cross it out like I have wrote it on it. All right, it looks like most of you have done it. I know, it's okay. Most of you have done it, so I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what to write at the bottom of his leg. So the left leg at the bottom, just write what number president he was. If you want, the word president is spelled up here. So you can say he's number and then the president.
26.
You don't say it out loud, just do it. Yes, just practice how to write president. It's okay. That's just there to help you guys. I don't want to get busy, please. So the number president on the other side of his leg that you didn't write your name on, just what number president he was, and the two character traits in his arms. Yes, Adeline?
I actually can't put my teeth.
It's okay, just put it on, just fit it as best as you can. What's wrong? It's okay, you can go over here. You can go ahead and go.
26.
Don't say it out loud. Let everyone be able to figure it out on their own. Just don't say where it is, don't say it is the answer. Let everyone figure it out by themselves. Okay guys, when you're done with your bears, you can turn them over and I'll pick them up. Actually, let's see, you have like a few minutes. If you're done, you can color it. Just a little bit. You have like, I'll give you 3 minutes to color it.
What? Mine's gonna be brown.
3 minutes, that's it. After 3 minutes, it's done.
Yes. And I might color baby.
Guys, don't color too much over the words because if I can't read it, I can't read it and then I won't be able to see if you learned anything. So if you're gonna color it, color the belly, maybe the head, but do not color over the words. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I was using sand.
No, crayons.
I learned the words I don't
That's fine. If I can read it, that's fine. Don't color it dark, yes. Don't color it too dark because then I won't be able to read it.
I'm using blue. I'm using gray.
Keep coloring, you don't have to show it off. Color it.
I'm using green.
You don't have to color it.
I love coloring.
I said you gotta write what number president he was here. No marker. You need to write one more character trait here.
This is for light pink.
You wrote the number president, you wrote a character trait here. You need one more. Alright guys, I'm giving you 1 more minute to color. we're done. Let's see. Can someone volunteer and tell me what one character trait that you wrote in one of his arms is? Aubrey, what'd you put?
Nice.
Nice. Very good. Alyssa.
Respectful.
Respectful. Good job. Madison.
Helpful.
Helpful. Good one. Cadence. Huh? Helpful. Good. Elena.
Nice.
Nice. Good job. Paisley. Respectful. Kaylor.
Fair.
There. Good job. Brinley.
Fair. 26 president.
I just asked for one character trait. You said fair. Good job. Adeline.
No, he is nice.
Good one. Awesome. In class, everybody, what number president was he?
26.
Very good. He was the 26th president. Good job. Okay, I'll come get your bears now. Because all the friends go. Thank you. Ooh, scary. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, remember, if your name's not on it and I can't read it, I won't know who it is.
Alyssa, do you like my bears? Alyssa, do you like my bears? Do you like
TJ, can I have your bear, please?
I only color his head pink. I only want the color his head pink.
That's okay. Looks great. Thank you.
Thank
All right, guys, great job. Listen, we're not done. Great job today. Awesome participation. I love how all your bears look. I'm going to go look through them, and they look great so far. So thank you so much, and thank you for your attention. Great, great, great.
You didn't get my rescue.
What?
You didn't